Ladies and gentlemen, you are now watching a complete veneer lamination production line, one of the most essential solutions for modern furniture manufacturing. This project is a real installation that we have supplied and commissioned in Vietnam, serving export-oriented furniture production with high requirements for productivity, precision, and surface aesthetics. The first stage of the line is the veneer longitudinal cutting machine, also known as a veneer slitter. This essential industrial machine is designed to cut, trim edges, and divide natural wood veneer sheets along the length with high accuracy, delivering smooth and clean cutting edges. The machine features a rigid structure, sharp cutting blades, and an integrated laser positioning system, which improves cutting precision while significantly reducing labor costs compared to manual operations. Its intuitive control panel ensures easy operation, and safety is enhanced through a dual-button operating system. Multiple cutting modes are available, with the automatic size cutting mode being the most prominent. Operators simply input the required parameters, and the machine automatically calculates and produces uniform and accurate veneer strips. The next stage is veneer splicing, carried out by the automatic veneer splicing machine. We chose this solution because it represents one of the most advanced veneer splicing technologies available today. Compared to traditional veneer sewing machines, which often leave visible glue lines and require extensive post-processing, this system delivers a superior result. Our automatic veneer splicing solution produces perfectly joined veneer sheets with no visible glue lines and an almost no-line surface appearance. The machine is capable of splicing from small sheets to large panels and even extra-large veneer sheets without being limited by veneer size, offering maximum flexibility for production requirements. Once the veneer sheets reach the required dimensions, the process continues with surface lamination using a 3-opening hot press. The machine is built with a robust structure to ensure stable and reliable operation under continuous production conditions. The 3 press openings significantly increase output capacity, and the number of press openings can also be customized according to customer production needs. Heating time is extremely fast, requiring less than 10 minutes to complete one veneer laminated board cycle. This is considerably faster than traditional manual methods, helping manufacturers optimize both time and production costs. At the final stage, post-processing is handled by a wide belt sanding machine specifically designed for veneer surfaces. This solution allows customers to reduce post-processing workload by approximately 78 to 80%. With only 1 to 2 operators, hundreds of panels can be processed in a single working shift. The finished surface is uniform, smooth, and highly aesthetic, ready for subsequent processes such as assembly, finishing, or painting. This is the complete veneer lamination production line we provide, a comprehensive solution for furniture manufacturers aiming for high productivity, consistent quality, and international export standards. Thank you for watching, and we hope you enjoy the presentation.